Hello, today I'm in Lexus UX. In this view I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can navigate through instrument cluster menu. Thanks to this button we can answer and end the calls. Thanks to this button we can change volume of the radio, and thanks to this button we can activate voice assistant. Of course, if you press right here you will use horn. On the right side we've got the panel thanks to which we can activate cruise control. We can change distance from the following car. We can enable or disable lane sense, change radio source and radio station. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.